Hi guys, is your Apple Watch stuck on the Apple logo and refusing to boot up? Don't worry, you are not alone, and today we are going to fix it. So if your Apple Watch is frozen, looping, or just sitting there with the Apple logo forever, I am going to show you exactly what to do step by step so you can get your Apple Watch working again. Here are the process. Hard restart your Apple Watch. Press both the button of your Apple Watch, conjointly press and wait for some times. Hold it until Apple logo appear on your Apple Watch screen. Wait for some times, it will open. So if your Apple Watch is stuck or freezing, then simply hard restart your Apple Watch and wait till Apple logo again appear on your Apple Watch. Wait for some times, it will again restart. It will take some times, don't worry, and after some times it will open. And if your problem is still, then go to next fixes. The next fixes to fix your issues Apple Watch stuck on Apple logo is go to your connected iPhone. Here go to your Apple Watch app on your iPhone, tap on it. Here scroll down and here go to general settings, tap on it, and here scroll down and you will find the option reset. Tap on reset and here various options available: erase Apple Watch contact and settings, reset home screen layout, and reset sync data. So first you will have to try reset home screen layout, and otherwise choose first option, erase Apple Watch contact and settings. So first reset home screen layout only, and your problem will be definitely resolved. That's all.